I come from a very small town from south of Italy, but since I was a teenager I knew that I wanted to do something different in my life, that I want really to make the difference. It's important to never give up, to persevere in the way of following your ambitions, because if you think that just because you are a woman you cannot succeed, you will lose opportunities. I have a family, I have 3 kids. I would like them to follow their passion, their attitude. I really would like them to be also inspired by their mother and to try to go out from their comfort zone, because this is where I think you can make the difference.